Button Fix. The versatile secret fixing system makes paneling a wall quick, easy and precise. With Button Fix, all the fixings are hidden, yet the panels can still be removed to access services behind or to replace an accidentally damaged panel. We're using the Type 1 Button Fix, which is specifically designed for heavy-duty applications. The fix can be surface mounted with a pair of 5mm pan head screws, leaving an 8mm gap behind the panel. Alternatively, if space is critical, or if you want to maximise the strength of the fixing, the fix can be rebaited. Use 4.5mm countersunk screws to ensure the screw heads don't project. The fixes are spaced to suit any horizontal breaks in the panelling, or, for full height panels, approximately every 600mm. Another useful accessory is the button marker. These are bright red, so are easily spotted in the toolbox. Snap one into every fix behind the fascia panel you're about to install. Their sharp metal points will be used to mark the back of the fascia panel where the buttons should be. Offer up the fascia panel and carefully align it in the desired position. When you're happy it is correct, press firmly over each fix and marker. Use the indents on the back of the panel as guides for drilling pilot holes for the buttons. There are two types of button, a lime green one for countersunk wood screws, use a 5mm or a number 10 screw, and an orange one for Euro screws. Euro screws, which are also known as variante screws, are ideal for thinner panels, and the ones that work best with the orange buttons are 6.2mm in diameter with a 7.8mm head. They require a 5mm diameter pilot hole to be drilled in the panel. Before installing the panel, first remove all the red button markers. You can reuse them when marking out the next panel. Then, offer up the panel with all the buttons fitted. The design of Button Fix makes it easy to align the fixings, even though you are working blind. Once you feel that all the buttons are sitting in the fixes, pull sharply downwards to fully engage them. You will hear a click as they lock home. We've also orientated some of the fixes here so that the fascia panel slides on sideways rather than dropping down vertically like the first panel. Both methods are just as strong, and you can choose the orientation that best suits your application. A suction pad makes handling the panel so much easier. To engage or disengage the Type 1 button fix, the panel needs to slide by 15mm. If your button fixes are orientated vertically, you will need a similar gap above the panel instead. We hope this example is similar to a project you may have to do. You could typically find it in a commercial washroom to conceal the plumbing. This is just one of the many ways that you can use Button Fix, a system that has been designed with the installer in mind. Button Fix, the secret fixing for panels.